Traditional escargots recipe, vertical bar. Classic French garlic butter snails. Introduction, 1 minute. 100, 00, 10. Opening scene, kitchen setting, 110, 30. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a classic French appetizer called escargots. These are snails cooked in garlic butter and they are delicious. Glowers, 30, 01, Dubered. Brief overview of the recipe and ingredients. This recipe is simple and full of flavor. Let's see what we need. Presentation of ingredients, 1 minute. 01, 00, 30. List of ingredients. Show the ingredients arranged on a table. 12 large snails, canned or fresh, 100 g, 7 tablespoons. Butter, softened 4 cloves garlic. Minced 1 tablespoon fresh parsley. Chopped 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste baguette slices for serving. Preparation, 10, 12 minutes. 01, 30, 02, Umberos. Preparing garlic butter. First, let's make the garlic butter. In a bowl, mix the softened butter, minced garlic, chopped parsley, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. 02, 00, 03, Zuberalder. Filling the snail shells. If using canned snails, rinse them well. Place a small amount of garlic butter inside each snail shell, then add a snail and cover with more garlic butter. 03, 00, 04, $100. Baking the snails. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees C, 350 degree F. Place the filled snail shells in an oven-proof dish. Bake for 10, 12 minutes or until the butter is bubbling and the snails are hot. 04, 00, 05, Zuberalder. Serving. Serve the escargots hot with slices of baguette to soak up the delicious garlic butter. Serving and closing, 1, 2 minutes. 05, 00, 06, $100. Closing. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comments.